Welcome back to the reaction zone. In today's lesson, we're going to solve the question on the board using the relationship between the number of particles and the mole concept. So this is one of the questions that involves the use of the mole concept to solve. And the question is as follows. How many molecules of carbon dioxide are there in 88 grams of carbon dioxide? To solve this particular question, we need to first of all know the number of moles that 88 grams of carbon dioxide corresponds to before we can find the number of molecules. So, according to the question, the mass of carbon dioxide is 88 grams. We need to get the number of moles. To do that, we must find the molar mass. The molar mass of carbon dioxide is 12 for carbon plus 16 for oxygen times 2. We are multiplying by 2 because there are 2 atoms of oxygen in this compound. And this is going to give us 44 grams per mole. Now that we know the mass of carbon dioxide as well as the molar mass, we can get the number of moles. The number of moles of carbon dioxide will be the mass over the molar mass. And this is going to give us 88 divided by 54, which will give us 2 moles. To get the number of molecules of carbon dioxide, we'll simply multiply the number of moles by Avogadro's number. So that the number of molecules of CO2 is going to be equal to the number of moles of CO2 multiplied by Avogadro's constant. This will be equal to 2 times 6.02 times 10 to the power 20. And this will give us a value of 12.04 times 10 to the power 23 molecules. And this is the answer to the question. Thank you for viewing. See you in the next class.